This takeoff goes wrong, or the 737 crosswind landing, or when this airplane landing goes wrong. This Airbus A330 suffers a bird strike into its engine after takeoff. This Boeing 777 seems to be waving flags after takeoff.
In his gear. Wow, nice, man. Oh, look at the wings flexing, mate. Look at that. Look at it. Wow. There must be winds at 200 feet or something, or 100 feet. Wow. That's insane, man.
This private jet unable to hold short the runway, almost taxiing in the front of another airplane taking off.
Family 120 with 6. G-line, stop.
Ooh.
71346, travel across downfield, runway 24 left.
Wow.
This Boeing 737 tries to land in a strong crosswind, resulting in a go-around. This Boeing 777 suffered a bird strike during crosswind landing.
Go on, baby. Go on. Go on. Yes. Get in there. Beautiful.
This Boeing 777 enters a steep nosedive.